Currently, CNTSUN excels in 550 MW Shache, Xinjiang PV project, earning high praise for fulfillment, reducing carbon emissions and offering clean energy. The project significantly benefits the society and the economy. After winning the bid, CNTSUN prioritized the project, all departments collaborating and proactively addressing challenges. To ensure timely delivery, the factories work together, with diligent employees and heavy trucks ready for loading. Though the task is tough, perseverance ensured success. CNTSUN's efforts ensured successful delivery of the mounting system. The contract fulfillment team shipped 20 truckloads per day, far outpacing other manufacturers. CNTSUN receives praise from customers for its high-quality products and efficient services. Responsibility fulfills the mission, and hard work achieves the future. Our personnel will forge ahead with dedication. CNTSUN will lead the clean energy trend with practical actions, and contribute to high-quality industry development.